Hello, welcome to the Just Cards video hop. The theme for this hop is masculine cards. After you've watched my video, make sure to click on the description box below to find the list of the other participants. Hello, Nadine here, and today I'm making a masculine birthday card using some Rinea Ghost Ink and some of the Rinea metallic colors in this Starstruck, and also a sheet from their Ebony Glossy. And I'll be using some Spellbinders gear dies. These are Sprightly Sprockets. And then also the Spellbinders, this is a Seth Apter collection Maze embossing folder. So anyways, this is the smaller size of the Rinea foil, the artist pack, and this one is from the crafters pack. So since I'm going to be making an A2 size card with a black base, the first thing I'm going to do is cut down this, which the Rinea, the Glossy, has the ebony on one side and also has the gold on the other. I'm going to cut it down just slightly smaller than the A2 card size, which is a 5.5 by 4 1/4. So I'll be cutting this down to 5 1/4 by 4. So there you can see how it is just slightly smaller than what my card base will be. And now I'm going to run this piece through my Spellbinders Platinum die cutting machine. Alright. Now, there we go. Okay, now that it's embossed, and I will also list down below in the description box, and it will also be on my blog, a list of all the supplies of what I used with links, if I can find them all. So now using the Rinea Ghost Ink, I'm just going to run over the top of the embossed area. And then just taking the heat tool just for a few seconds and running it over the top of it, just to dry the ink on there. If you have alcohol, you can spray it onto a paper towel if you like, but I am just going to use these alcohol pads since I already have some. And then just wipe right over the top. There we go. Now you can see with the Ghost Ink what it does is it removes the color off of the Rinea foil and reveals a pretty silver. So now I'm just going to adhere that to the front of my card base. Alrighty, I cut a bunch of gears out using 4 different gear sizes. I actually stacked all 3 of the sheets of the Rinea foil together at the same time and then just ran it through my Spellbinders Platinum machine and came out with a bunch. That's way more than what I'm probably going to use, but I love gears, so I will use them somewhere, sometime or another. And now I'm just going to come up with a pattern of how I want them on my card. And I'll be using this little banner tag over the top, so I want to get kind of an idea of how I'm going to lay those on there. I think I'm going to do something like that. Okay, now I'm just going to adhere those on there. And I'm just going to use some silver thread that I have. And a happy birthday stamp. I'm just going to stamp this onto the front of my MISTI. And use my powder tool so it doesn't, I'm going to emboss it so it doesn't stick anywhere else. And VersaMark. This is VersaMagic in Midnight Black. And I'm just going to ink up the edges. Poke a hole right in the end. And stick a brad through there. And just use some pop dots on the 3D foam adhesives on the back. And then just bending it kind of slightly in between because I don't want it to lay completely flat. And then just pressing it down onto the front of the card. And there you go. A nice masculine birthday card. Thank you so much for watching, and please hit like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.